starting from our first question here, what is uppercase pipe? So guys, in uppercase pipe, we convert the given character into a uppercase, like in capital letters. As you can see that there's a pipe that is uppercase pipe. There are target developers. We give the input here in the lowercase, but after the transformation of data, we see the output, the target developers in capital letters. So this is uppercase, guys. So this is uppercase like this work. Next question, what is lowercase pipe? This is the reverse of the uppercase pipe. In this we are giving in a capital letters, but we get output in the smaller letter. So it convert in the smaller characters, target developers. What is title case pipe? So guys, every starting character in the word is in capital letter, guys. In the title case, every character in the word is in a capital letter. So like we give the input here by target developers. So we get the output here target developers, T in the capital letter and D is in capital letter. So this title case pipe like this work, guys. What is JSON pipe? So guys, convert into JSON format. Every thing is converted into JSON format. As you can see that we use a JSON pipe here. There's a pipe input is JSON val. Their first name is Shivam, last name is Sahu, and city is Jabalpur. So this is the value in the TS file we give. We transform this into a pipe output like this. It will give the result like first name JSON object, first name Shivam, last name Sahu, city is Jabalpur. So like this JSON pipe works. Next, what is async pipe, guys? Convert observable or promise into real data. Its work is to convert or fetch observable promise into real data in the UI part. So as you can see that target developers is the observable here or promise. So we give the input here. After applying async pipe, we transform the data in the pipe output. So like ng4 is the directive, guys, like let message of target developers. So in the and we apply async pipe. So message of means we are fetching one by one object from observable message and then we convert in async pipe. We got a real data in message.title. So we print the every data in the li format. Okay guys, this is a pipe output. This is how async pipe works, guys. This first question we are taking here, what is pipe decorator? So guys, pipe decorator is a pipe interface, like interface. In this there are two parameters, name and pure. We can give the name of like a type of string, or pure is a boolean data type, guys. Next, like you can see that there is an interface name. In name section you can assign a custom pipe name, and in pure section assign true or false. Default is true, guys. If true, then pipe will be a pure pipe, otherwise impure pipe, guys. So by default all pipes are pure pipe, guys. Use pipe interface as a pipe decorator as follows. We can use also as a pipe decorator where name is welcome. Here custom pipe name is welcome, and as we know that by default pure metadata value is true, so welcome pipe will be a pure pipe, guys. This is an example, guys, of pure pipe. Name the built-in pipes, guys. These are the built-in pipes Angular provides. First is uppercase, second is lowercase, title case, date pipe, currency pipe, slice pipe, percent pipe, decimal pipe, JSON pipe, and async pipe. These are the built-in pipes, guys. By default pipe is pure or impure, guys. As I've already told, by default pipe is pure, guys. What is pure pipe, guys? If the input parameter is same and you will get the same output irrespective of time it being called. Pure pipe can be shared across the application without affecting the output result, guys. Example of pure pipe is decimal and date pipe, guys. So guys, in pure pipe the input parameter is same as the output result. Okay guys. Next question, what is impure pipe? If the input parameter is same and you will get the different type of value set according to the state of input value. It depends on the state of input value, guys. It will show your output depend on the state of input. Impure pipe cannot be shared across application because it may affect the internal logic, guys. Example of impure pipe is async pipe. So guys, first question we are picking here, why we use pipe guys. So guys, pipe is used to transform the data within HTML template. Pipe is represented by this symbol. We call this symbol as a pipe symbol guys. Next question, what is pipe transform interface guys? Pipe transform is an Angular interface. To create a custom pipe, our TypeScript class has to implement pipe transform interface guys. Pipe transform defined as follows in Angular guys. This is the syntax of pipe transform interface. Inside this, there is a transform method with two parameters. First is pipe input, second is pipe output, and there is a return type of any type. Next question. What is transform method? Transform method accepts minimum one argument and maximum any number of argument guys. Transform method returns the value of type any guys. You can see that below. Transform method have two parameters. Okay guys. And there's a one return type. What's command for generating custom pipe guys? CLI command for generating custom pipe is ng generate pipe name. Example ng generate pipe add. Add is a pipe name guys. What is execution order of pipe guys? Order of execution of pipe is from left to right guys. You can see here there's an uppercase, title case, lowercase. It will start from uppercase, then output of uppercase is the input of title case guys, and the title case output is the input of lowercase. So there's an output at the last is in lowercase. If we give any character, then output is in lowercase guys. Looking here, what is date pipe guys? As we all know that date pipe convert into date format guys, as we name suggested here. So guys, if you look this image, there's a to date at below. There's a variable we are declaring of date type, and at the right side we are new date. So if we see line number 41 and as date pipe, you can see the output in the right side. We print date pipe guys. If you see line number 42, without date pipe, we are printing to date variable inside the interpolation. So you can notice that the output of the date pipe is like this: Monday, January 11, 2020, like this, the long format guys. If you see line number 43, just below that code, if you see we are using a date pipe here guys. If we apply the date pipe to date pipe symbol in date, so you can see the output at the right side, Jan 11 2021. So you can see what is the date pipe effect on to date. So this is the magic of date pipe guys. And at the below line number 44, if we use date pipe with a we are filtering medium date. If we want medium date, so we have to use like this, date colon and double quote medium date. So you can see the output at the right side, medium date Jan 11 2021. There's no major difference between date pipe and medium date, but if we use medium, line number 45, as you can see that, so you can see the major difference of medium. So Jan 11 2021, like this. If we use medium, like this we use short date. You can use short date, short. You can see the output here. Full date, if you use full date pipe, full date, so you can see Monday, January 11 2021, like this. Okay guys, if you can or directly give the format of your date like DDMMY, like this, and you can also give the time also, DDMMY, and hours and minute, like this. So you can see the magic of date pipe guys. What is percent pipe guys? It is converted to percent format guys. If we take the variable like num of number type, if we take we are using percent pipe num percent. Okay, you can see the it converted into 14%. If we take any number, it will convert on that format guys. So it is very easy pipe guys, percent pipe. Next question, what is slice pipe guys? There's some rules of using slice pipe. So if you can see that there's a right side image of array indexing 0 1 2 3 and the value 5 6 7 8. Before using slice pipe, we should know the rules of slice pipe. So if index is positive guys, then counting start from the starting guys, like in from left side. Okay, if the index is negative, then counting start from the ending guys, from last index. if index is positive, there's a two condition, like start index is inclusive and end index is exclusive, guys. If the index is negative, then start index is exclusive and index is inclusive, guys. You should know these rules before using slice pipe, guys. Mm, like there's a slice like this. I am talking about indexing, that there's a start index like 1 and end index is 3, guys. Okay, we are taking this image or array example like 5 6 7 8 and 0 1 2 3 is indexing, guys. We are taking here this dot my array. There's an array of my array like name 5 6 7 8, guys. Okay, so without slice pipe, you can see the output here on the right side, 5 6 7 8. If we use a slice pipe like slice 2, like as we all know, according to the rules, if the number is positive, then counting start from starting, guys, you know. Okay, from starting, like if we count 0 1 2, so it will it will print from index 2, like 7 and 8. You can see here 7 8 it is printing right side. In the next we are taking slice 1 colon 3, like both are positive, guys. So first we are starting from starting okay, guys, like 0 1, starting from 1. Okay, guys, 1 and 3 2 3. Okay, guys, like printing here 6 7. So one आएगा 1. Okay, this is so guys, we are taking this example, guys. This is dot my array. We are taking array 5 6 7 8. You can see the output in the right side, guys. Without slice pipe, it is printing like 5 6 7 8. Okay, we are using slice pipe of 2. Like this is a positive index, as we all know. We read the rules, guys, before in this. Like if the index is positive, then counting start from starting, guys. So we have to count from starting, guys. And second, if the index is positive, then started index is inclusive and end index is exclusive. Means if you have to start index, you have to include, you have to count, and end index we have to left exclude. Okay, so in this scenario, start index is inclusive, guys. Okay, we have count from starting 0 1 2, so index 2 should be inclusive. We have to include. Okay, so we can include there. So you can see that from 2 it is printing. We are not give here ending point, so it will print from last 7 8. Okay, and then slice we are using 1 colon 3. The both index are positive, and so start index is inclusive and end index is exclusive, guys. Okay, so we are counting from starting 0 1. So 1 means 6 is inclusive, guys. Then it will go to 7 is also inclusive, but last index is exclusive, guys. So 8 should not come. Okay, it is printing 6 7. We are taking next is -2. It is a negative, guys, so all scenario will change. We have to count from reverse side, from last side, and rules of negative index we have to revise once again. Like if the index is negative, guys, the start index is exclusive and end index is inclusive, guys. So this is the reverse, guys. We have to start index, we have to exclude, and end index is inclusive, guys. Okay, so -2, like -2 we have to count from left side, reverse side, 0 1 2. Okay, guys, so 2, so we have to exclude this. Okay, we have to exclude this, and we are going to right side now. So we have to exclude this index and print other index 7 8. Okay, and then we are taking -3, starting from last reverse order 0 1 2 3. Okay, so this index is exclusive, guys, because there's a negative as we read in rules, so it will print 6 7 8. Okay, and then we are taking slice colon -2 colon 3. So first index is negative, guys, so we have to count from reverse side 0 1 2, like 6, 0 1 2. Okay, in this index there is 6. Okay, so it is exclusive, guys. Okay, and then 3, index 3, we have to count from starting, guys. Okay, guys, starting, we have to count from starting 0 1 2 3. This index is, guys, exclusive, guys. Okay, so what index is left, guys? Only index 2, so it will print 7, guys. Be careful in this example, in this like -2 and 3. Okay, then we are taking slice -3 and colon 2. So -3 is a negative, it will follow from reverse 0 1 0 1 2 3. -3 means 5. It will exclusive, guys. Okay, and 2 is a positive starting from, so we count from starting 0 1 2. This is also exclusive because this is an end index. Okay, so we have to exclude, so remaining is index 1 6. It will print, guys. Okay, this is concept of slice, guys. What is decimal pipe, guys? Decimal pipe is an Angular pipe API and belongs to common module, guys. Decimal pipe is used to format a number as a decimal number according to local rules, guys. It uses number keyword with a pipe operator. It also follows some rules, guys, local rules. Like this example, guys, we are using a format 3.2 5. Okay, in this minimum integer digit is 3, minimum fraction digit 2, and maximum fraction digit is 5, guys. Now find the number that will be formatted, guys. Like we are taking a number 1 like 12.6384, like this, so on, and now use decimal pipe. We are using a decimal pipe here, guys, like number and colon 3.2-5. Okay, the output will come 0.012.63847, guys. Okay, in our number integer part is 12, guys, that is of 2 digits. Okay, guys, so adding 0 as prefix, it has been of 3 digits, that is 0 1 2. This is because minimum integer digit is required is 3, guys. So this is decimal pipe, guys. Now we are seeing what is currency pipe. Currency pipe is an Angular pipe that formats a number as currency using local rule, guys. This is a currency pipe. Like without currency pipe, you can see the output 0.14159227. With a currency pipe, you can see the before value it prints the $sign, guys. So this is a currency pipe. So we covered almost 5 pipe, guys, today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.